trying to let the video go so we have some video of this. Remember what it's like to be in the O-room. Boom. It's so pretty. It's just like all these different colors of blue, and the water is like glass. Look at this water, it's like glass. Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Taking a picture of it too.
Let's take a picture. This is my eye in the sky. We're kayaking, so you can see what's going on with my eye in the sky. Are you paddling correctly?
Yes, I'm paddling into the beautiful blue sky.
I love your bun. It looks good today.
Thanks, thanks, baby.
Yeah, so, if anyone was wondering, we are kayaking. All right.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
The water's like glass. It's beautiful. It really is. When you get it right, man, it's just so sweet. It's just so sweet. Right? There's nothing better than a kayak, right?
Yeah, with me propelling it.
Oh, man. She told me she wants me to just take selfies. So that's why I'm not paddling. I'm supposed to be taking selfies of how good we look in this kayak. So good. There's a storm brewing over there, though.
Yeah, there sure is.
It really smells like the ocean. We got the view from the high up. Periscope up. Do you see? Do you see? Hello. Hello. Alright, periscope up. This could be our last paddling day of 2021.
No!
We could be closing out paddling for 2021, depending on the weather here. This could be our last day.
True.
So, we just want to remember how awesome paddling is. So we're going to make a long-ass, annoying video. So we can watch it and remember how great it is being in our boat when the water's like glass. Or even when it's not. It's just good all the time.
It's
over there is the Long Island Sound. Over there.
Wow, it is so nice.
It's beautiful. Let's see what it looks like underwater. Watch, we'll watch this later if there's some huge shark. Oh my goodness. Imagine.
That'd be anytime before he does.
Well, now, did you see any periscope up? Did you see anything underwater? Oh man, it's gonna be scary to see what we see. If we get home and see a shark on this video, it's gonna be very concerning. We're gonna have to get a bigger boat. Shit. Alright, Mommy just said it's time to go home.
Yes.
Does this mean it could possibly be the last? Oh, it just depends on the weather, but it's getting chilly.
It is.
It feels like a fall day.
Well, today
and when you're in an
was
ocean in a
nice.
little tiny boat.
Ah.
Periscope up.